Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to learn about another list operations. In particular, we are going to learn about repetition. So we use the star operator to repeat a list a specific number of times. Let me illustrate it with an example. We would like to write a program to repeat the list apple and banana 3 times. To do that, we are declaring and initializing a list called fruits, and it is containing apple and banana separated by a comma. So there are 2 elements in this list. To do the repetition, I'm having a repeated fruits list here, and it is equal to fruits, this original list, times 3. Very easy syntax, okay? Then I'm printing the repeated fruits here in the output, and I expect to see apple, banana, apple, banana, and apple, banana, because this list is going to be repeated 3 times, and it is going to, let's say, copied and pasted 3 times in the repeated fruits list. So when I run this code, I see apple, banana. This is the first time of repetition. Apple, banana, second time. Apple, banana. So 3 times the original fruits list is repeated in the repeated fruit list using this star syntax to have the repetition in lists. Thank you for watching.